yeah, this is a quick walkthrough video of how to shop on our website. When you get to our page, just click on the link in bio, the tap link, and it will take you straight to where you're going to tap and shop on our website. So you just scroll up. You can either choose to tap on this flash sale banner or this click here to order banner. So this countdown button is just a reminder that this offer goes off when the timer ends. So you can tap any of these two. You can tap on the flash sale banner or tap on the click here to place your order option that is bouncing, whichever one you want to choose. Yeah, now we are on our website, and the easiest way to shop is just to come and tap these three lines up here. Just tap on it and just go to collections. Then choose, do you want sandals, do you want slippers, do you want fragrance, do you want shoe, bags, fashion tech, ratio, whatever you want, just tap on it. For example, let's say I want to buy a slippers, and I tap on the slippers, the Lily 01 slippers, and I had to cart. Swipe up and add to cart. I select the color and size that I want that's available. So maybe I want blue. I tap on blue, size 41 is my size, and then I had to cart. Then if I still want to shop for, maybe I want to shop for the Storm perfume that is going for 3.5, I can tap on continue shopping. And for every time that I want to shop for more things, I keep tapping on continue shopping. Then I go back to collections and tap on the fragrance, then add the perfume to cart as well. Then for every other product I want to shop, I go back, continue shopping, then I go back. And when I'm done shopping, I just view my cart. I want to see all what I have. I want to see everything that I've shopped in my basket. If, like this perfume, if I want like 2 packs, I can just tap on the plus sign and it will increase it to 2. So you see automatically it has become 7,000. It was 3.5 initially. So from there I can continue. If I want to continue shopping, I continue. If I want to update my cart, I update it because I have added another product to it. I scroll up, then I see my grand total. So the total amount that I'm going to pay is 21,000 naira. Then I proceed to checkout. If I'm done, when I'm done shopping, I can input my email address here. Then my first name, I input. The last name, I input. My address. Please input the correct address that you have. So this is the address of our store. Yeah. So I just did a copy and a paste kind of thing. So come here and input Ibadan, the city of Ibadan, Nigeria, and then select Oyo State. You don't need a postal code. You can include your phone number. 090. Include your phone number so we can reach you when we are about to deliver your goods to you, your order to you. Yeah, so when you get to the shipping method, just click on customer pickup. Even if you are not coming to the store to pick up, just click on customer pickup because that's the only free option there. Yeah, so then you continue. But if you are picking up, you can as well just notify us that you prefer to pick up instead of us to send your order to you. But you make your payment. So when you click on make payment, it will bring you to this page where you can either choose to pay with your card, pay with bank, or pay with transfer. So whichever option you want to go with, you can pay. You can pay with your card. If you're not okay with paying with your card, you can pay with bank or pay with transfer. So I clicked on the transfer option. Yeah, so this is the account number that you have to transfer to whenever you're asked to pay with transfer, and you have just 30 minutes to pay to this account, after you have sent the money to this account, just tap on I have sent the money and the transaction will be complete. We would receive your payment at our end, and that is how simple it is to shop from our website. If you have any challenges, just send us a DM on Instagram